All right, well, there's the new starter. It's a new refurbished starter. Looks brand new to me. So now we got to tear apart the top of this. It's kind of embarrassing, it's so dirty, but it is Texas and all. Okay, well, we'll check in every now and then. I won't give a detailed of everything I do, but we'll check the video in every now and then. Okay, so I took the top trim piece off and this breather assembly that goes with the air cleaner. So now, next thing is to take off the throttle body here and the manifold. So we'll get back to that. All right, the intake manifold is off. So there's the old starter right back there. And it looks like there were some rats down in here a while ago. Some debris down there I got to vacuum out. But yeah, there's your valves down there. So now you just got to get the starter out. Here's the old intake. And I got some new gaskets to put right there. And underneath, there's some new gaskets for that. So let's go get the starter out. Okay, I got the old starter out. Thought I'd do a little bench test just to see how it performs here. Click. Okay, it's really going bad. When I first did it, it did spin, but now it's just stuck on the click. So I'll hook up the new one and see how that works. Okay, let's try the new one. All right, it looks good. All right, now we'll put it in there. I'll show you what it looks like with it out real quick. I still need to clean things up, but got the starter out. There's where it goes. Hits the flywheel. All right. I found a peanut shell under there, so it must have been some mouse or something that got up in there. Anyways, I gotta clean up these surfaces and get ready to put it back together. All right, we got the new starter in. Look at that baby. She's ready to crank. Got all the gasket surfaces cleaned up. So all we gotta do, I'm gonna clean up the manifold and put new gaskets on it and put it all back together. All right, I was gonna show you the bottom of the intake manifold real quick. I got the new gaskets on. They're a nice blue color. The old ones were these green, Baylor green, no good. So I got those are new, and then that's a new gasket up there for the intake. And she's ready to go. Okay, we're all done, got it all back together. I did start it once to make sure there's no fuel leaks before I put that cover on the top of it. But now with the help of my lovely assistant,
Hi.
we will show how it works.
We haven't got a quarter of tank of gas. I just want to throw that in there.
Okay.
You think someone's going to expect a fill up?
I could be.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. That's a fine running machine there.
It's ready for another 173,000 miles.
There you go, another 173.
Nice try.
Now you're making my video long, you know.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's all we got.